Hello guys. So I purchased this keyboard through Walmart and this is the Carevas folding keyboard. And I just wanted to give you some opinion about this, and maybe if you're considering buying it, I want to share my opinion and help you make a better decision. So what you get is the keyboard itself. Also, they provide you this stand and this charging cable. So, if we look at the keyboard, it has a magnetic mechanism here at the right here on the edge, and as you can see, it's just going to help you keep it closed and not open while you're traveling. So that's something very nice. And so here we have the keyboard. As you can see, it's very nice, thin, and portable. And I want to also take some measurements and just show you how much this measures. So this one is about 11.5 inches, and we have here about 3.5. And if we close it, this one is going to measure around 0.5 inches. So very portable, as you can see. And I want to also compare it with another keyboard I have here. So this is a 60% keyboard, they call it, and as you can see, it's about the same size. But this folding keyboard is going to be, the keys are going to be smaller, because as you can see, this space right here is not being used. So you have that space. Also here in the middle, you have an extra space, and this section here is not being used. So the keys had to be reduced. And as you can see, this 60% keyboard is completely using everything. So the keys are going to be much bigger. So one thing that while I'm using this, I can really feel the difference. How comfortable is this one versus this one? So with this one, I feel like sometimes I I have I wish I could have like the size of this, because or maybe because I'm just comfortable or actually used to using this larger keyboard. So when I'm typing, I feel like I'm typing outside the keyboard sometimes, because it's just much smaller. So it's something that you need to get used to, and you're going to just as you said, you're going to start learning more about the keyboard, and you're going to have your own method or ways to use it. So this keyboard is going to feel like a laptop keyboard. So it's very thin, and let me remove this one here. So it's going to feel very soft. So we have a very soft keys here, and very silent. So as you can hear, they're very silent and very soft keys. So it's very thin, as you can see, and that's one of the things that you're going to lose with this keyboard, is because if you want portability, you're going to use comfort. So if you want comfort, you're going to lose portability. So unfortunately, you cannot get everything, and you will have to just decide what you want. So with this one, you will have that portability, as you can see here. It's very nice and lightweight. So this weighs around 6.5 ounces. So it's just not too much actually. And yeah, it's a great keyboard. If you're somebody that you want something larger, then probably this is not going to be for you, because it's just very very small. So this one is going to be even smaller, a little bit smaller than this 15-inch laptop that I have here. So I measure the keyboards, and actually the keyboard on the laptop is still much bigger than this. So that's something that you may want to, consider. What is it that you want. Um and yeah, so I can also show you here this laptop stand. So it's not going to be like the greatest stand. As you can see, it's just something that they include, but it's not going to be like the best. uh, I have also another one here. This is another cell phone and laptop rotating stand that I also did a review about. And if you have something extra here, you can also use it. I'm going to put a link in the description about this, so if you want to learn more about it. um, Also, if you are interested in a laptop stand, I also have this one here that I did a review, and I'm going to put the link in the description. So going back to this stand, is actually going to work just fine. If you don't want to spend extra, it's going to be it's actually just working just fine. As you can see here, I can place it here, and you know it can handle the tablet without any problems. So let me show you here how it's going to look from behind. And here you can adjust the height or the inclination if you want it a little bit forward and move to towards the front. So here you can adjust it. So this stand also has another functionality. So once you close it, this keyboard, as you can see here, it doesn't have a locking mechanism once it's open. So this is going to work as that locking mechanism. So you place this on the back here, as you can see here, and I'm not going to lock it because it's a little difficult to remove, but you push this, and then it's going to stay like this. And it's going to just keep the keyboard open and locked in place like this. So I don't know what these functionality, if it's something that in my case, I don't think that's something that I'm going to be using. I think that would be perfect if you are going to be carrying this keyboard. But in my case, I just place it on a surface, and I actually don't need to use this to lock it and keep it closed all the time. Something that I probably would have like, instead of this, it would probably be something that I can place on the back of the keyboard to incline it, because that's not something that you get. As you can see, it just stays flat. There's two little legs, or actually four on the back, as you can see here, but they don't offer that much of an inclination here, as you can see. So you need to have something else to be able to provide that inclination. So as you can see, I can place this here on the back, and now I have that, and it makes it a little bit more comfortable to have it a little bit raised from the back. And yeah, so the keyboard just feels like a laptop keyboard. And something else that I like about the keys here, and I can show you. So you have this at the top. So you have this extra function key. So you have the F keys, and you also have this You can also adjust the brightness. You can also take a screenshot. You can also play in pause. You can mute, or you can increase the volume or decrease it. So in order to do that, you will have to select FN, then Windows, to activate the F keys. So once it's in the Windows mode, you press FN, then the key that you want to use. If you want to adjust the brightness, or if you want to use the keys that are at the top, as you can see, those are called the media keys. So you press FN Android, and then you press FN, and you used whatever key you want to use. So that's something nice that this keyboard has, because let's say I want to reduce the brightness of the phone. I can do it through the keyboard. If I want to mute it, I can also do it through here. So that's something very nice. Another thing that this keyboard has is dual connectivity. So you can connect two devices and switch between them very easily. So in order to do that, you press Fn C or Fn M to switch to the other device, and you don't need to reconnect or pair the devices again. They're going to just switch easily. So uh, this keyboard is a you know, it's going to be a very basic keyboard. If you want to you know, travel and don't want to carry something big, so it's going to work for you. um, Something that I can say is that if you are somebody that can handle something small gadgets like this, then probably it's going to work for you. If you want something more comfortable, then probably you may want to get um, something different, maybe a keyboard like this, which will be more comfortable for you. So it's going to depend what type of uh, you know typer you are, and how comfortable you will be with this keyboard. So the only thing I can tell you here is that they have tried to provide that portability, so they have reduced everything, and they have tried to keep it very small. So as you can see, some of these keys are very small. So you have the backspace here. I wish they could have done it a little bit larger. And you have this also, the arrows keys are a little bit small. um, yeah, so it's yeah, so it's a very nice keyboard, because it's very portable. So I purchased this through Walmart, and they really have a great service. So if you buy it, you can also return it without any problems. um, I have the I have become part of their um, membership, their yearly membership with Walmart Plus, and I can tell you that I'm really happy with the service that they have provided me. I can buy groceries and I can get them delivered um, at home, and in case I find any issues, I can return on those. Uh, I can, file a complaint, and they actually don't ask you too many questions, and just provide you any refund. So also with some electronic devices, you get free shipping, and if you spend around $35 or more in groceries, you get free delivery from the store. So these are there's all the benefits they also provide. They also give you rewards. So there's certain items online that they give you points, and you can use those points to purchase any other items in the future. So I'm very happy Walmart Plus, and I'm going to also share a link in the description if you are interested and you want to become part of their membership. And with my link, you're going to get $20 additional that you can use on your future purchase. So if you go through Walmart directly, you will not be getting those $20. But if you use my link, you're going to get those $20. And also, if you refer the program to any other family members, you're also going to get $20 for each one of them to your account. So yeah, you don't have nothing to lose, and it's a great service that they have provided. You can also do a 1 month of service if you want to just give it a try. I have the yearly service, and I'm just very pleased with their service. So if you have any questions about this keyboard, let me know in the comments and I will try to answer as soon as I can. And thank you very much for watching.